Have you ever sent an email and immediately realized you forgot the attachment, you sent it to the wrong person, or there's a huge typo in the message? Don't worry, Gmail actually has a feature that lets you undo a sent email instantly. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on undo sent in Gmail in less than 30 seconds. So at first, we have to open our Gmail and you can see the setting icon here. Just click on it. Now see all settings here. Click on it. Now you can see this is the general. Under you can see undo sent. You can see send cancellation period is 5 seconds. You can see when I click here, you can see there are four options: 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, and 30 seconds. You can simply select the 30 seconds, that you can have 30 seconds to undo the sending emails. And also there are lots of options over there. I will show you how to do that, but at first we need to save changes here to save these settings. And now if you send a wrong email or anything wrong person, you can simply unsend the email under the 30 seconds. So I hope this video will work. Do like, comment, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and families. Thank you so much.